High-capacity small particulate reduction of bad taste odor, chlorine and certain VOCs to provide great-tasting drinking water. Fits all 10 standard housings and can replace any 10 by 2.5 carbon filter cartridge. Effective at filtering fine sediment, chlorine taste and odor. NSF International tested and certified for your peace of mind. 20,000 gallon capacity. Replace every 3 months or when you notice a drop in water pressure or water quality. Pentair Pentek CBC Series Cartridges are highly effective at reducing unwanted bad taste odor and chlorine taste odor from potable drinking water. CBC Series Cartridges are highly effective at reducing unwanted bad taste odor, chlorine taste odor and other contaminants. CBC Series Cartridges are an ideal choice for a wide range of residential, food service, commercial and industrial applications. They also make excellent polishing filters or pre-filters in applications requiring fine filtration and high capacity. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality carbon block filter. I use this cartridge in a standard Pentek under-counter 10 inches housing, and it does a good job in improving the taste of my drinking water, primarily by reducing the chlorine taste. I've used Pentek filters for many years with good results. My municipal water is already good quality, so this filter isn't being used to remove any specific contaminants, other than the chlorine taste, which it does very well. This is a standard size 10 inches cartridge and will fit every standard 10 inches housing, but may not fit many of the numerous proprietary non-standard housings. Most of those housings are designed to lock you into using a particular brand non-standard cartridge, usually at an inflated price. Ignore reviews that complain that TDS, total dissolved solids, aren't reduced, because no carbon block filter will reduce TDS readings, and lower TDS readings don't necessarily mean better water quality. If you need to reduce TDS by a reverse osmosis system,